project, because what is happening with this project is that we collaborated India. Neena Gupta, she is very famous and one of the very most versatile actor from India. Mihir, Ahuja, who is playing the main protagonist, and of course we have got Sebastian, who is doing that.
Sebastian here in Australia. How great was it having him contribute to the film?
It was fantastic. I think he dedicated himself to this character, James. When you see the film, you will understand that.
Yeah, he's obviously multi-talented, our guy Sebastian. And you said there was a really great turnout at the premiere in Sydney last night. How amazing has it been to see so many people get behind this film?
I'm watching the film with all the 600 guests. Are they also trying to? Are they also getting the same?
Full.
Thanks, mate.
And so from tonight, it's available for people to watch in.
I'm guessing a lot of cinemas here in Melbourne.
Achieve dreams like this with the support of a lot of people. So there's a few people to acknowledge and discuss over plans. I think the first one is nothing can happen without Screen Australia. Their development team has been fantastic. Keep doing these projects like this. So thank you, Screen Australia. Second is the cast and the crew. I really want to thank you. We have a lot of great crew came from all across Australia to support. We've got Jayant Sharma, who's sitting right here. Round of applause for him. Production like this, the global team is just fantastic. I want to acknowledge the two other gentlemen, my fellow co-founders and director Ali Sayyid, that you can stand up. Saw the dreams together and fulfilled it. I want to acknowledge the backlog where you were sitting. Yeah, Tony, and Mark. I mean, this dream started with a few parties coming together for the first time in backlog. I think we're the first people to believe in the project. So thank you very much for doing that. Lastly, I want to acknowledge all the cast, all the talent, all the crew, Guy, you, your team, Mathew, Rupanty. Thank you so much for being with the project and making this a massive deal. I just leave it at that. Thank you very much. Enjoy the film. Get Your Issues is also a very important film. Find the music. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Jen. We are absolutely looking forward to the premiere tonight, and that was a great encapsulation of your journey with your crew and team here. So thank you once again. Well, everybody's got a ticket in their hand, and you've got 2 QR codes. If you've got a chance to look at them right now, of course, there's one QR code for 24/6 films. So make sure you do follow them, scan the QR code right now, because all the photos and all the moments are going to be captured and shared over there. And make sure you do tag them and share with us how you're enjoying the night tonight. So thank you once again for joining us. Also, there's another QR code for the Academy Music Records. This is the way you're going to support us, because there's fantastic music. And if you subscribe tonight, you're going to enjoy this even after you've watched the movie, because it's going to tingle the strings of your heart. So make sure you do subscribe to Academy Music Records tonight. Now, I think, David, should we do the honors?